Hello, welcome to Angela's Hangout. Okay, so I saw this inspirational tree. This is my inspiration that Shar Live Your Style created a couple years ago, and I've always just loved it, and especially this year because I'm doing everything in black and white. So that is Robinson's Design's daughter, and they actually have a company together right now that they're working on. So anyway, this is a tree that I'm going to be working with. I know, right? Looks absolutely nothing like that beautiful thing that we just saw. But I'm going to play around with it and see if I can make it look just as stunning or somewhat as stunning. Okay, so as you can see, the tree is so super dingy, and I tried to use some home remedies to try and get it to come clean, and it just wasn't working. So I decided that I'm just going to go ahead and spray paint it and try and make this beautiful ombre tree out of it. So I just took the top off and I put a little baggie around it just to protect the white that I do want to keep white. And I'm going to start painting. Okay, this is where the fun begins. So I'm going to take my chrome paint, spray paint, and I'm just going to get in there and get as close to the branches and the stems as I possibly can, the trunk as well, with my chrome, and then I'm going to come right back through with the black and just do that on the bottom. So I think what I should have probably have done is fluff the tree out first before I start spray painting. But hey, let's just go take a peek and see how it's gonna look. I mean, I can always go back with more spray paint, right? Okay, so after checking everything out, I realized that the white wasn't quite white enough and the chrome was just a little bit too much. Also needed to add in a little bit more black at the bottom just to make it more cohesive. So I'm going to go back through with some spray paint and see how it turns out. So I went back through and I took a look at what my inspirational piece looked like, and I noticed that she just used a bunch of the coordinating ornaments to match the paint colors. So I just got some white, some silver, and some black ornaments, and I put those on the tree. So I wanted to keep my base simple too. So I added in this deer, which I think is just stunning. It lights up. And I got that for $14.99 at Ross. Got this bag for $3 at Target. This cute little hat box for $6 at Target. And just these little bags right here, the little polka dotted bags for $3. And I just stuffed them with paper. And then of course I have my Santa that I had to pull out from last year because he is just so cute and he makes a wonderful addition to this Christmas tree. All in all, I think it turned out super sharp. Now, it's not looking white in these pictures because my light shines in from the east and it illuminates a cast, so it kind of looks a little bit yellowish, but it really is white and it's just so super pretty. I mean, I was going to throw this Christmas tree into the trash because I was so disappointed with it and I just didn't think I was going to be able to revive it whatsoever. So this is just to give you an idea of something that you could use, of course, if you're into the pinks, blues, greens, reds, whatever, just to kind of give you an idea of how to do an ombre golds, just to kind of give you an idea of how easy it is to do. So if you have a tree that you're a white tree, I guess especially, get a little more dingy over time, just to kind of give it a little revival, give it an uplift, and try and do something with it. So anyway, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me along on many adventures. I am starting to do lives on Mondays at 6:30 Pacific Standard Time. I'm starting to get more into showing you my home. I have a beautiful condo, and trying to show more of that. And if you are interested in seeing more DIYs, please leave me a comment in the comment section below, and let me know, because I have a lot of ideas. I'm just more of a shopper than I am a DIYer, but I certainly have a lot of ideas. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys all have a lovely day. I hope you get some good ideas, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.